so say if you guys would like to see what look I am going to be doing in this video, please keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, I will be using the Lock On Liner and Brow Cream by e.l.f. in the color medium brown. So this is how it looks like. And I will be using my Anastasia brow brush. So I start off by just outlining my eyebrow. So I start off from the bottom and then I work this way. So okay, and then I will be going into the top and then I'll be filling it in. Okay, and I just blend this part up. Just, yeah. It's very, very easy. Okay. Okay, and then I will be going in and doing the other one off camera. So, okay. Now that I am done, I will be going in with my foundation, which I use the Maybelline 24-hour foundation, and I will just be using a flat brush to clean out my eyebrows. So that's the bottom part. Now I'm gonna go in and conceal the top, and yeah, because the top part is what makes it more thick. So here. We have to blend it out just so when I apply my whole foundation on all over my face, it won't just look like there's like a line and then like, yeah, I don't know how to explain that. Now I will be concealing my other one. I'm just gonna blend this in right now. So I don't add more because then it's gonna literally look like a square. So I'm just trying to blend out what I have on my brush. For my eyelids, I just use my concealer, and I use the Wet n Wild concealer, the Photo Focus one, right, this one. And I just use the same brush and I just apply it on my eyelid. Okay, and I'm just gonna blend this into my whole eyelid. Now I will be using my 35B Morphe palette, and I will be starting off with this pink right here, the top one, and I will be using this brush, something that looks like this. So just gonna go in and just go in and blend this in. So just blend it in. After that, it's not really that noticeable, but kind of. I will be going in with a different brush, and I'll be using this one, this color right here, and slowly make it more pigment.
So I'm just gonna go into my crease. It seems to be a little bit more harder.
Okay, so we don't want it to look like there's like a sharp line in between, so we're gonna try to like blend it in to the other pink. Just like that. And then now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go in and cut my crease because we will be adding some glitter. So to cut my crease, I'll be using this one from ABH Cosmetics. So to conceal, I will be using my concealer just because it's brighter. It's a little bit more whiter than me. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go in with my Norvina palette, and I will be using this the color Wild Child right here. I'm actually gonna use this brush right here. It's a little bit fluffy all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna go in with the same color from 35B, the same color I've been using, and I'm just gonna add it. Now I will be adding some glitter. So I'm gonna be adding this glitter that I bought on Amazon. I'll be using the NYX glitter primer. So for that, I will be using this brush right here. This is a flat brush, and I'll just be adding it where I added the Wild Child color from the Norvina palette. So
I'll start off from my inner corner.
okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. I am currently using the Revlon Color Stay Skinny, and it's in the color Blackout. So I'm just gonna go in and start off from the inner corner of my eye. Shadow, and I will be using this brush right here, and I will be using the one from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'll be using this color right here. I don't know how to say it. And this is what I'm gonna do with it. I'm actually gonna follow the crease where the line is in between the glitter and the and I will be going in again with my eyeliner, just outline, just make the line. So I'm just gonna go in and clean it out with my foundation using the same brush that I used to clean out my eyebrows. So just like that. Now I will be going and doing this one off camera so it can be more faster. And then I will just be adding my foundation, the same one as I had already told you guys, and I will be using the same Real Techniques sponge. So this is how this is gonna look like. Make sure you blend it into your neck. You don't want to see the color difference in between. So now I'm gonna go in and add my concealer. So as I had already mentioned, this is the Wet n Wild. So I'm just going to add it. So okay, so I'm just gonna go in with the same sponge and just blend. And then now I'm gonna go in with another blender, but this time I'm gonna go in and do add my airspun powder just to where I added my concealer. It smells so good, guys. I really recommend this powder. If you don't already have it, go buy it ASAP. It's amazing, guys.
So I'm just gonna add it under my eyes.
So now I will be going in and adding my bronzer. So we'll be using the Marc Jacobs in the color 500 Fawn Cocoa. It's broken, guys, but it's my favorite. Very good. I will be going in with the brush from BH Cosmetics in the number 114 and just dusting, taking off the powder. I'm gonna go in and add my highlight. Okay, for my highlight, I will be using the Glow Sugar Kit from ABH. And I will be using this brush from BH Cosmetics in the number 4. So first, I will be spraying it, just so it can pick up more pigment. And for that, I will be using the color Butterscotch. We're gonna go in and add in my inner corner of my eye. I will be using the Norvina palette, and I will be using the color Dreamer right here. This is my favorite color. And to my brow bone right here. Okay, so now I will be adding my eyelashes. So I will be using these are from My Glam Lashes. Sorry guys, my lighting sucks right now. So I'm just gonna go in and add these. Okay, so now I will be using the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in from Wet n Wild. This is in the color Give Me Mocha. I'm gonna go in with this brush, and I will be going in with the same color we used, this one, and I will be adding it to my lower lash. And then I will be going in with the same brush and adding black. I will be using the black that's in the same palette, the 35B. And we are almost done, guys. Okay. So I forgot to mention which mascara I'm using. I am using the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. This is the final look. Thank you for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for more videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.